Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, Chief of the Air Staff, was on a 2 day visit to Bangalore. He flew three indigenous platforms: light combat aircraft, Tejas light combat helicopter, and Hindustan turbo trainer, which are being inducted into IAF as part of its drive towards Atmanirbharta. CAS was demonstrated the capabilities of the LCH and HTT as well as updates on the Tejas. He also interacted with the designers and test crew to understand the current status and future plans. On 6th August 2022, CAS delivered the Air Chief Marshal L.M. Katre Memorial Lecture, which was attended by serving and retired officers of IAF, HAL, and other stakeholders from the aerospace industry. The CAS spoke on capability and force development plans of IAF towards making it a future ready combat force.